Hey, what is up guys, Studios here. So I've been getting lots of comments lately asking about my exhaust setup. So it's really a simple muffler delete which was done at a local muffler shop where I live. And it's a custom white pipe with 2 straight pipes coming out from the back. So I really think this is worth it given how feasible it is, and regardless of where you live, especially given how affordable it is if you aren't looking to invest in a proper exhaust system. So the only drone you notice when cruising around on the highway with the BRZ with the muffler delete is around 80 kilometers an hour. I would say like maybe 78 to 86. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is noticeable, but it's not that annoying, and it's really dailyable. I mean, worst case you can just drop down to 5th and keep going. Plus, what are the odds that you're going to be cruising at 80 kilometers an hour on the highway? So it's either you're cruising at 100 or 90 or something like that. So what really got me into thinking of getting a muffler delete done is that I had a budget for my exhaust system. I didn't want to really spend $800 or $1,000 on the exhaust system, so I just went with a custom muffler delete. And I really love how this car sounds. So when I was first learning how to drive manual with this car, and I was still practicing my rev matches, I could hear the car slightly pop when I downshift, and it was a really subtle pop and a really shy pop. So I was thinking to myself, so what if I make the car louder, and which is essentially what I did, and I really like how this car sounds. And now it basically pops at almost every gear when I downshift. So like I said, this is the only drone you're gonna have to deal with. 6th gear between 78, 84. So just a quick demonstration of how this thing pops at almost every gear with the muffler delete. We're going to be downshifting as I'm exiting the highway. So downshifting from 5th to 1st, every gear it was popping on downshifts, which is a really cool touch. It brings some life out of this boxer engine. So yeah, this basically sums up my video about my exhaust system. I really recommend it if you're not looking to spend over like $500 or $600 on an exhaust system. This mod for me was around 300 Canadian dollars, which is about $200 US. Really recommend, as it brings out all the good boxer engine noises. And yeah, see you soon.